So I'm now here in my SiteGround account. I will click Set Up Site. Then choose Start New Website. Then I have to choose my application. Is it WordPress or WordPress with WooCommerce? So I will select this one. Then I will set up my login. I will put my email address. Then password. I will just generate my password. And I will click now continue. Okay. They're asking me if I wanted to buy SG scanners. No, I will not. So I'll just click finish. It's now creating my website. So all is set now. Na-install na ang WordPress sa ating hosting sa SiteGround. So ang kailangan natin gawin naman is i-point natin yung ating domain sa ating hosting. Kasi nga, di ba sinabi ko kanina, yung ating domain is binili ko sa NameCheap. Then hosting naman sa SiteGround. So kailangan na ipag-point mo sila para magkaroon sila ng link. So andito na ako ngayon, nasa NameCheap na ako. Kung saan nakalagay yung aking domain, I will click manage. And of course, this one, manage. Then, punta ka dito sa name servers, custom DNS. And copy the name service. Then, click save. The DNS daw will update and will take 48 hours to take effect. Andito na uli ako sa aking SiteGround, yung aking hosting. Kanina na-point na natin yung domain natin sa hosting. So dito na ako, I will click Manage Site. Punta naman tayo ngayon sa ating website. Hindi pa siya nagpo-populate kaya wala pa siya. So let's just wait for another 24 to 48 hours.